Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add coupon code in WooCommerce on a WordPress website. As you can see, I am into my WordPress admin dashboard as of now. In the left side toolbar, we are having an option of marketing, right? It would be only visible to you if you have installed the WooCommerce plugin, right? So I have simply moved my cursor on the marketing and now I am going to click on coupons in the submenu. So I have clicked on coupons and here we have an option of add new coupon in the top, right? So I'm going to click on this and here it is asking me about the coupon code. For example, I am going to write a coupon code new 10, right? This coupon is valid till New Year, right? So whatever the coupon description I just want to keep, I can simply keep that as a coupon description. Now scrolling down into the coupon data part, the first setting is of general setting, right? Here it is asking me about the discount type, right? So whenever I click on this, then automatically a drop down menu appears in front of me. The first option is having percentage discount. This means I just want to give discount in certain percentage to the user. For example, 10%, 20%, 50%, whatever, right? Whatever the amount value of that particular would be, the discount would be given in the percentage. Next is fixed card discount, right? I am just going to add give the discount on a card, right? Like I just want to give a $100 discount or $200 discount on a card, right? I'm not going to give particular percentage discount. I'm just giving discount on the basis of value over here, right? The next is fixed product discount. I just want to give certain value discount on particular product only. If that product is added on in the cart, then only the customer would be eligible to get the discount and he or she is going to get discount on that product value only, not on the total cart. So here I am going to select the percentage discount and next it is asking me about the coupon amount. For example, I am just going to give the 10% discount, right? We do not need to add the percentage symbol over here because we have already selected the percentage discount in discount type. So in coupon amount we need not to enter the percentage symbol. It is obvious, right? Next is allow free shipping. Do I also want to provide free shipping to that particular customer apart from getting giving them 10% discount on the cart value? No, I don't, right? So I'm not going to check this in. Next is coupon expiry date. This coupon would be expired till what date, right? So here I can simply select the expiry date of the coupon. Next, going to the usage restriction settings in the coupon data. Here it is asking me about the minimum spend. I can also set a minimum spend that, for example, if a customer is making purchase of $2,000, then only this coupon would be valid, right? So I can set the minimum spend limit as well as I can also set the maximum spend limit, right? For example, if a customer is making purchase over $10,000, then this coupon is not going to valid. Generally this doesn't happen, right? So we can simply remove this, as well as scrolling down, individual use only. Check this box if the coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. It means this coupon would only work individually, not in conjunction with other coupons, right? If a person is having two different types of coupon and the one coupon is this one and the another coupon is something other, then if he is applying both the coupons simultaneously, then this coupon would not work, right? Because this coupon works only individually. If I just want to make these kind of settings, I can simply check this in, else there is no need to check this in. Exclude sale item. If I select this, then this coupon would not be valid on the products available on sale or as of now, right, on my website. So you can either simply check this in or else check this out. Next is products. If this coupon is like a product specific coupon, right? If we are giving a 10% discount on particular specific product, then we can simply type the product name over here and we can simply select that particular product. But make sure you have already created the product before creating this kind of coupon, right? So right now I'm not going to give discount on any specific product. I am just giving a discount on the whole cart, right? No matter what the product is added in cart or not, right? In the similar way, like if you're selling 50 products and you're giving discount on 40 products and you're not going to give discount on 10 products, then instead of adding 40 products name in the products, you can simply add the products name in exclude product on which you are not providing the discount. The next is product category. If you're providing discount on particular specific category products, then you can simply add the category over here. In the similar way, if you are having like 10 categories in your website and you are just providing discount on 9 categories, so in spite of adding 9 category names in product category, you can use the exclude category option and you can simply add that particular one category in which you are not providing the discount, right? In the allowed emails, you can add your premium customer's email ID using comma by separating them, right? So those users would only be able to avail the benefit of this coupon, right? You can either send them coupon code using email marketing or SMS marketing or WhatsApp API marketing, whatever, right? Coming to the product brands, if you are offering a discount on certain brands, then you can simply add their name over here. In the similar way, you can exclude the brands as well. Coming to the usage limit section, so I have opened the usage limit section. Here it is asking me usage limit per coupon, right? To understand this usage limit section, we are going to start from the last setting first, right? Usage limit per user, right? It means how many times a single user can use this coupon. So a single user can use this coupon for the one time only. Limit uses to X items, right? For example, if somebody is purchasing like 20 items, then you are going to provide them discount or not, right? So as we have already discussed, the maximum spend amount option was there. In the similar way, you can also add the maximum number of items, right? Till that particular quantity, this product this coupon would be applicable, and after that certain product quantity or item limit, this coupon would not be applicable, right? The next is usage limit per coupon. So this coupon is available in 100 quantity as of now, and first 100 users can use this, right? So I have created this coupon and going to click on publish, and this coupon would get published. Okay, it is coupon updated. Now let us check this coupon whether it is working or not. So in the left side toolbar, as you can see, there is an option of products, and I have kept my cursor on products, and automatically a sub menu appear in front of me. Here I am going to click on add all products, and here I am going to just view this product, add it to my cart, clicking on view cart, and here is the option of add coupon. So I will simply add new 10. Okay, going to apply this coupon. Okay, this coupon is valid till 2000. I need to increase the purchase amount. Okay, let me buy 4 t-shirts, right? Now it's pretty much good. Now entering the coupon code again and clicking on apply. Okay, the coupon discount has been provided by the website owner. Okay, so in this way you can simply check the coupon after creating that particular coupon. So in this way you can make a coupon code in Woocommerce on your WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Woocommerce, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Woocommerce. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.